Okay, so to start, we're going to solve for the weighted average unit cost. So we're going to add for June 1st through 23rd the units together, which gives us 666. I know that's kind of scary. And then we're going to add the total costs together, which will give us 4072. Then to solve for the weighted average unit cost, we're just going to divide 4072 by 666. And that will bring us to 6.114. And next we're going to solve for the cost of the ending inventory for FIFO, which is first come, first out. So we are going to take 188, which is the purchases on June 23rd, or not the purchases, the units, and we are going to multiply it by the unit cost, which is 7, and that's going to bring us to 1316. And next we're going to take the difference between the units on June 30th and June 23rd, which is 63. And we're going to multiply that by 6, which is the unit cost from the 12th. And that is going to bring us to 378. And to get the cost of the ending inventory, we're just going to add these two numbers together, which will bring us to 1,694. Then to solve for the cost of goods sold, we're just going to take our number from before, the 4,072, and we're going to subtract 1,694 from that. And that is going to bring us to 2,378. Next, we're going to serve for LIFO. So we're going to take the units on June 1st, which is 112, and multiply that by the unit cost, which is 5. And that's going to bring us to 560. And then we're going to take the difference from June 30th and June 1st in the units. So the difference in the units is 139. So it's going to be 139 multiplied by 6, which is the unit cost on the 12th. Which brings us to 834. And just like for FIFO, with LIFO, we're going to add these two numbers together, and that gives us 1,394. And then to get the cost of the goods sold, we're again going to subtract 4,072 minus 1,394. And that gives us 2,678. So there are our answers. Okay, now we're going to get the average cost. So the cost of the ending inventory, we're going to take our total number of units, which is 666. Or no, I'm sorry, the weighted average unit cost, which is 6.114. And we are going to multiply that by our units on the 30th, which is 251. And that's going to give us 1,535. And again, like before, we will take 1,395 from the 4,072. So 4,072 minus 1,535. And that gives us 2,537. And that's the cost of goods sold with our average cost. And that is how you solve 6-7.